What's up, y'all? Ross again. Got the wiring harness all fixed. Tightened all back up down there. So I can put the interior back together. Been busy at work and everything. But I got it all fixed. I'm happy about this. I ran myself a power wire over here because their radio didn't work and they had some convoluted radio. I don't know what all that is, but I'm gonna fix that up too. I'll keep this white plug, but I gotta unwire all that. All that's gotta go. Something's wrong with it and the radio wouldn't turn on. So I ran a power cord off the power line that they had spliced in, which they did a good job splicing. I realized that when I pulled this one out, I think whoever put in the car alarm spliced those, and they did do a good job. So I just kept that power wire and did a cheap splice right there for myself that I can mess with. I'll put this on a switch since it's constant power. I might even put it on a power block if I need power for other things later. That'll give me a good power source. And now we're going to go over to the passenger side and get that fixed up. You know, I've been keeping you updated. I'm still working on the interior, but I'm pretty happy. Oh yeah, I ran all their black speaker wires that they had all jumbled up over here, up through the dash, and I zip tied all those in, so it's all nice and neat now. And now I can put my panel back on, which will hide all this. And I'm almost done with the interior. Start playing with the mechanical of the car. And I have been driving around. I'm pretty positive it needs a transmission mount, but it's not too bad. Just can't launch on it, but that's all right. Stops, goes, takes off good. And I might replace the old slave cylinder for the clutch. It's just not as strong as I want it to be. It does work, but I don't know, for performance reason I think I'll change the slave cylinder too. But I'm really happy. That's my little update for Sunday, what I'm doing. Tightening up my wiring and putting her back together.